I bought the van for $500 and I have been slowly transitioning it to a camper van. With that, a lot of work needed to be done. I built a budget-friendly floor, a budget-friendly simple pull-out bed, then I insulated the van. And now I'm going to install a headliner that will be budget-friendly, simple, and easy to install. So the first thing I grabbed was a king-size sheet. Yes, a sheet. I grabbed some Velcro to attach the sheet to the roof, but I trimmed that Velcro straight in half. And I have these products linked down below in the description for your convenience. The first spot I'm going to adhere the Velcro is going to be at the rear of the van, but I forgot I needed to remove these dang things. And I don't know how I forgot because I've hit my head on it like at least 30 times. With my beautiful job, the Velcro is now placed. That's basically how I'm going to attach the sheet. Let's keep going. So there's already Velcro underneath here from the last headliner. So I'm just going to cut one Velcro at the length of that piece so I can get ready to attach a sheet to it. I'm definitely trying to figure it out as I go. So yeah, I will be back whenever I do something else. And then I place another strip right in the middle of the van. So I have a Velcro piece over there, here, and at the back of the van. 65-ish inches. So with that measurement, I went to go cut the sheet. I marked the spot, folded the sheet, then I cut it. Yes, I like Elton John. Now I'm attaching the Velcro on the sheet, and that looks like I did a pretty good job. Now I wonder if it will be able to come off easily. I put the Velcro on backwards. Okay, mistakes happen, like always. I'm good at doing things backwards. Now since we have it correct, let's go ahead and move on. So I want this part to show. I put the Velcro on this side currently to lay flat on the Velcro that's on top of here. Sheet is now attached to this Velcro. It's pretty strong. I could probably tug on it, but I don't want to tug on it because I don't want to mess it up. You know how it is. Then I continued to attach it to the Velcro strip in the middle of the van. It's fairly easy. You want to make sure you have enough tension so it's not going to be droopy in the middle parts. Then finally, I went to the rear of the van. Hey, do you like what you see? Ta-da! And now it's time to trim the excess. So as you can see, there's a lot of fabric left over on the sides. So I went ahead and tucked in the excess fabric up on top. Then I added small pieces of Velcro all down the side of the van and the sheet or headliner to make sure that it's going to stay up and nice. And it looks pretty decent so far. I know it's not much, but I am slightly impressed. It fell. I'm going to sew the sheet onto the Velcro to fix this issue. So with a needle and some string, I went ahead and sewed it together. By no means am I a seamstress, but it's definitely not the cleanest, but I'm happy for what it is. Make sure you use a sharp needle to go through the Velcro. In total, this costs like 30 bucks to do. I got a sheet from Amazon. With the needle and thread, which you can buy pretty cheap on Amazon, it came out to be about $38. But I had it already, which was nice. Some Velcro and just Velcroed it up there. And if I ever want to add lighting or anything, I can just pull it down and add the lighting, which is pretty cool. And if I end up having any leaks by any chance, I'll see wet spots. Guys, that's all for today. This is Chris AutoMotivate. Always appreciate and respect one another. I'll see you next time.